Realme Narzo 10, Realme Narzo 10A. Realme has been constantly launching new smartphones every few weeks, and it is now getting ready to introduce the Narzo series next week. Set to include two smartphones, Realme Narzo 10 and Realme Narzo 10A, the new Realme lineup is targeted to the Generation Z, the company claims. Realme has also noted that the two phones will pack next-level camera, a class processor, and remarkable battery. As we wait for the official launch, here's everything we think we know so far about the two upcoming Realme smartphones. Realme Narzo 10, Realme Narzo 10A launch details. Realme is hosting an online presentation on March 26 at 12:30 p.m. to unveil the new Narzo series. As a part of this presentation, the company will reveal the price and specifications of the Narzo 10 and Narzo 10A smartphones. The launch presentation will be streamed live on YouTube as well as other social media platforms. Keep an eye on Gadgets 360 to know the official links for the Realme Narzo launch livestream. Realme Narzo 10, Realme Narzo 10A price in India expected. Although Realme has not said anything about the pricing of the Narzo 10 and Narzo 10A smartphones, a tipster recently indicated that the Realme Narzo 10 will be released with a price tag under $198.35, 15,000 rupees. The tipster also mentioned that the Narzo the 10th of May turn out to be a rebranded version of Realme 6i that was launched in Myanmar recently. So, if we look at the Myanmar pricing of the phone, it can be a decent indicator of what we can expect for Realme Narzo 10 in India. To recall, Realme 6i retails at 249,900 Myanmar kyats, roughly 13,300 rupees for the base 3GB plus 64GB storage variant. The smartphone also comes in a 4GB plus 128GB storage model that carries a price tag of 299,900 Myanmar kyats, roughly Rs. 16,000 in Myanmar. Realme Narzo 10A, on the other hand, is said to be a rebranded version of the Realme C3 that debuted in Thailand and was different from the version released in India. If Narzo 10A indeed turns out be a rebranded Realme C3 Thai version, we can expect a similar pricing. The Realme C3 is priced at 3,999 Thai bahts, roughly 9,100 rupees for the 3GB plus 32GB model in Thailand. Realme Narzo 10 specifications expected. As per leaks and official teasers, Realme Narzo 10 is expected to be a dual SIM smartphone and it will run on Android 10 with Realme UI on top. It is also expected to pack 6.5-inch HD plus 720x1600 pixels display with an aspect ratio of 20:9. The Realme Narzo 10 will likely be powered by MediaTek Helio G80 SoC and come in two RAM options, 3GB and 4GB. On the imaging front, Realme Narzo 10 is going to feature a quad camera setup on the back with a 48-megapixel primary shooter, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a monochrome sensor and a macro camera. The front camera, on the other hand, is believed to be a 16-megapixel shooter. Among other specifications, the Realme Narzo 10 is tipped to include up to 128GB of onboard storage, a micro SD card slot up to 256GB, USB Type-C port, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, AGPS, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The company has already confirmed the presence of 5,000 mAh battery on the Narzo 10. Realme Narzo 10A specifications expected. Realme Narzo 10A specifications are expected to include MediaTek Helio G70 SoC, 6.5-inch HD plus screen, and a 5,000 mAh battery. Additionally, the phone is likely to pack a fingerprint scanner on the back, a triple rear camera setup with 12-megapixel main shooter, and 5-megapixel selfie camera. Realme Narzo 10A will also likely run Android 10 out of the box with Realme UI 1.0 on top and feature the usual connectivity options and a micro USB port. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.